What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
You have tuned in to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid PayPal money to play games. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos when they drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm discussing today in this video. Now, before I get into this method, please follow me on Instagram, and it's at AppGrind. I'm trying to get to 1,000 followers, and once I get there, I'm going to do a giveaway. So it's going to be beneficial for you guys to follow me on there, because you can be a lucky winner over there. All right, please guys, watch this video all the way to the very end. Please, please. I was checking my analytics. You guys do not watch the whole video, so I'm guessing you guys are not making no money out there. So if you want to make this money, please watch it all the way to the very end so you can know the full method. So please. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, grind family. Okay guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called Fiverr. I've talked about this website several times, so I'm sure you heard of this. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to become a coach. So you're going to coach people to play their best, or show them how to play their best on video games. So when you come here, you want to search the top video games that's out right now, that's trending, that a lot of people are playing. So I'm going to show you a couple. So what you do, of course, when you come here, you're going to have to make an account. So what you're going to do is look up Fall Guys. Now that's the latest game that's trending and has a lot of people playing it. So you want to put Fall Guys Coach. And you're going to search for that, and these videos are going to come up. So as you can see, I will be your Fall Guys coach, $10. Look at this. I will coach you in Fall Guys, $5. Here's another one, $15. Here's another one, $20. 10, 10, 20. Here's one even 25 right here. And let's see how many. Okay, I know some of them don't have that many people that have rated the, that rated their services. But anyway, this is a new game, so people are just starting to play this game, and so people haven't came over here yet to find out how to get better at the game. But if you've been playing, and you can still go ahead and set this up, so as the game gets more popular and popular, people are going to come here to try to figure out how to be the best they can on these games, on this particular game. But now, if you want to go ahead and become a coach of a game that's been popular for a long time and been out for a while, let's go ahead and search for that one right quick. You kind of already know what I'm going to talk about. Fortnite. So Fortnite coach. So now as you can see right here, $5. I will Fortnite coach you who is top 7 box fighter in Fortnite. And they got 61 reviews right here. And let's see, 59 views for this one. So that means, 59 people tried this service out and left a review. This one $5. This one $25, $5, 50, 10. So these people, they're charging from $5 all the way up to $50. So you can do the same, guys. So if you're good in Fortnite, you can go ahead and open up an account right here, set it up, take some screenshots of the game that you're playing, the Fortnite game or Fall Guys game that you're playing. Go ahead and put it on your account so they can see the screenshots. And you can put on there, you can kind of copy what these people are saying. I will be your Fortnite coach and make you cracked in 7 days. Or you can just, you need to put a catchy line. So whatever you are good at in Fortnite, just put it down there. I can get 10,000 kills or whatever they call them. But guys, this is a good opportunity to play games, get paid for it while you helping somebody else get better at Fortnite or Fall Guys. So that's it, guys. That's the method. Now, let me go ahead and give you a tip. Now, since there's a lot of people trying to be a coach on here, and you're going to have some competition, of course, make it $5 just to start off. And as you grow, you can probably increase the prices. Now, what you can do to get more traffic to your page is you can go to Facebook. And when you go to Facebook, all you got to do is just type Fortnite group. They have a lot of groups under Fortnite or Fortnite Fall Guys. Might not be that many for Fall Guys since it's a new game. And when you go there, you just have a little chat, talk with them, say, I'm at this level, or I've done this many kills or whatever, and say, hey, I'm real good. I'm at this level. And you talk to somebody that's not they just starting off or they're not that good. Just say, hey, I can coach you. And I have a page here on Fiverr. Put that link down in the group while you're talking to the individual. They click on that link, go here straight to your page. Say, oh, $5? Oh, that's not bad. And boom, you can coach them. So that's it, guys. That's the method. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. That's all I ask. Just 50 likes, guys. Please, 50 likes. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really, really do want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, Grind family, I got a couple of other announcements I want to make. I have another channel. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. And on that channel, I post my podcast show, which is Hustle, Grind, and Grow Show. That's my podcast, which I want you guys to check out. Link is in the description and in the comments. But I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe to that channel. On that channel, I'm going to talk about personal finance, also making money online, and personal development. So I might drop a video that might talk about, hey, go here, follow this method and make some money online. Or I might also talk about, this is how you save money, or invest, this is how you do investments. Or I might turn around and might make a video that talk about how to manifest money, or how to be more productive, or how to be the best person you can. So that channel is going to be very, very informative, guys. So it's going to pop up in this video at the top. Go over there, subscribe, help me get to 1,000 subscribers, and I'll give away something once I get to 1,000 subscribers. You know I like to give away stuff. You know I like to give away money. So I'm going to do it over there. So that's Hustle, Grind, and Grow. Go to that channel, subscribe, check out my latest video, check out my podcast, and like it, share it. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Road to 5,000. Let's get to 5,000. Don't forget to type that code word that popped up in this video somewhere. Type that down there, because that's going to help you to increase your chances of getting this free money once I hit 5,000 subscribers. Okay, guys, thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate you guys' support. Keep supporting me, and I'm going to keep dropping this content. And one more thing, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.